Hi everyone, just want to make a short video to show you how to install and use the Kaotec tutorial plugin. So when you download it, you'll have a zip. Right click on the zip and then extract it to com.kaotec.tutorials. So we want to keep that name, and then you should have these files and folders inside there. Copy this folder, go over to your Photoshop, click on the gear icon on the Kaotec plugin, and then click uninstall. It won't delete your Kaotec Retouches Plus, but it brings up the extension folder for you. So then we're going to paste our Kaotec tutorials here. I already did, so I don't need to paste it again. And then you can restart your Photoshop. when your Photoshop comes back on, and then go to extensions, window and extensions, and then Kaotec tutorials, click on that. I don't know how you keep your panels organized, but I think that best place would just click on the name and drag it around here. So when you move it around, you'll see that they appear blue guides, and then I move mine below the category touches plus, you'll see a blue guide appear, one single line, and then let go. And so now we can click onto category touches plus tutorials, and then it takes a second to go to the tutorial page on the website. So you can scroll down through the videos. This gets automatically updated with the latest 50 videos that's on our YouTube channel. So if you want to see if there's a new video, you can just check the tutorials here. So let's click on one of them. So you click on watch tutorial and then click play.
Hi guys,
You
today
can
we're going to do a cross.
you can just make this full screen, and then I'm going to pull the layers panel down, and then I noticed in the latest Photoshop, if you click on actions and then you can pull it further down like that. Just close this pop-up and then stretch your window, pull it to the left, and that will increase the screen size. You don't want to go like too far, because then it's going to, I think you can stretch it quite a bit, but I would say don't go past half of your screen. So I'm gonna put it like something like that, and then
And
click
sky
play.
replacement.
So now you
So
can follow
first you're
along
going to
the
Expo
tutorial
Blend.
easily,
Expo
and just
Blend.
pause it while you're busy. And yeah, that's basically how you can follow along the tutorials, and that's basically how you use it. So um, when you're done with the watching a tutorial, or you're done using this plugin, then if you want to go to the main menu, which I don't really think you would ever need to, but you want to go back out of this, just click on the full screen again, and then you'll get this window. It will be minimized now. So just to get this away, click on the right side here, just behind the video, and then you back at the other tutorials, and then you can go to the next one. Play. Hi everyone, maximize. Today I'm gonna make a twilight just restore it back again, and a sky replacement. Click pause if it's still playing, so that it doesn't, you will still hear the audio if you don't click pause. So then you just click behind the window, go to the next one. So yeah, when you're done with your videos and whatever, just double click on this here, or you can right click and minimize, but I just double click and you can push it back again. So it's just laying here out of your way, and whenever you need it, click on it once again to pop it back open. So to close it, you have to double click. To open it back up, you have to click once, and then you can just pull it wherever you want it again. Yeah, so I think that's about all you need. One more thing though, don't know if you would ever need to do this, but if you want to ever go back, you can right click on at the top there and click back. But I don't think you need to do that. If you ever want to go back to like the main menu, then just close it, open it, and then it's back. So yeah, I hope that this is useful to some of you. Cheers, guys.